Welcome to the Banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the lens type because coatings react differently. Once identified, rinse under lukewarm distilled water to remove grit. Add 1 drop of mild dish soap to a fingertip and gently rub both sides in circular motions. This breaks down ink or marker binders without abrasive scrubbing. Make sure to rinse thoroughly so particles won't scratch. If writing is fresh, this often removes most marks. If not, move on to a targeted solvent step next. Now you transition to a solvent approach for persistent writing. Test a small edge patch with isopropyl alcohol to confirm the coating holds. Once safe, dampen a cotton swab and lightly roll over the ink. Do not scrub side to side. You want lifting, not abrasion. For stubborn edges, use a soft bristled toothbrush dipped in soapy water and stroke outward. After lifting ink, rinse again with distilled water to remove residue and prevent streaks. Then gently pat dry with a clean microfiber cloth. Finish by drying and polishing. Use a clean microfiber cloth in small circular motions while inspecting under angled light to catch faint marks. If residue remains, repeat the solvent test and try a commercial lens-safe cleaner. Always rinse afterward. Make sure to avoid household abrasives or acetone on coatings. If you notice cloudy patches or coating lift, stop immediately. You may have damaged the anti-reflective layer and should consult your optician for repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.